So just like we do with our classics, we're going to find a natural lash to isolate. Get that isolated, dip our fan in the glue. And then come in, tilt just to get that just right angle, and place that pre-made fan right on top. And if you need to adjust it a little to get it the way you want it, keep it isolated while you're doing this, and let go, and your fan is applied. Now sometimes you'll see with pre-mades, and this is something you can do on the top 2 layers of the lashes. So the first and second layer of the lashes, you can actually almost thread them through, which I'm going to just show you what I mean by that. Just going to isolate this one here. You can actually come in and apply it from the bottom and thread just that lash extension kind of through the middle of the pre-made fan. Now it's a little bit more difficult than using the technique of placing on top, so it is something that you want to practice and play around with. Of course, it's not going to stick because I don't have any glue on this one, but that is something you can practice and play around with. But just for starters, if you're a new lash tech, new lash artist, I'd recommend just placing them right on top. And as long as you're following all the other steps for best retention, you're going to have great retention with pre-mades. You've got the right amount of glue, the right placement, everything like that. You're going to have great retention with these pre-mades, and they are so much fun to work with, especially if you're a new lash tech looking to offer volumes in your sets, not order, offer. It's just a great way to get started. So once you've got your application steps down, you can start adding some hybrids using pre-mades, or start doing volume sets. Just keep practicing away. So I'm going to show another one here. Again, just tilt my hand to the way that I want it and get that base attached perfectly. And let go. Adjust it to the way I want. And let go of my other tweezer. So I'll show a few more so that you guys can see the pre-made application. And just like with your classic lashes, always make sure that you're using the correct weight and the correct length for your client's natural lash.